Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm sharing with you how I do my makeup for when I wear my mask whenever I go outside to run my errands. The goal is to do what you gotta do while looking cute and staying safe. I'm about to share that with you, okay?
Off camera, I did my eyebrows and I added foundation primer to my face.
If you want to know how I slay my eyebrows, I have linked my eyebrow tutorial down in the description. Without further ado, let's get to the video. First, we are going to prime our eyelids. I'm using P. Louise Base Eyeshadow number 6.
This eyeshadow primer color is very close to my flesh tone, which makes a great blank canvas to add any eyeshadow to my eyelids.
Next, you want to pick one of your most favorite eyeshadows. It's up to you. You don't have to put an eyeshadow, but I like to put one color, just at least one color. You don't have to go all crazy. You don't have to make no design, no cut crease, none of that, okay? Just simple, short, and sweet. So just one color, super easy, super standard. You could just pop on some eyelashes and line your eyes, but me, I like to apply eyeshadow. So I'm going into my most favorite palette on the planet. This is my Friendcation palette by Dose of Color, and this palette blends so well with the P. Louise. Okay, so depending on what day it is and how I feel, I might just either put that one eyeshadow all over my eyelid, or I might just use that same one eyeshadow and just define the crease. I like to use brown colors, but sometimes I use dark pinks. Sometimes I use dark purples. Switch it up, you know. I like to switch things up, just like my hair, okay? Let's see how it looks on the crease. Let's see. So I'll be using this color. This is not the darkest color, but it's not the lightest color. And I will be applying that on my eyelids.
I am applying eyeshadow only to my crease and outer V areas on my eyelids. This eyeshadow is very pigmented, so I only used a little bit of this eyeshadow shade. You can add more layers or darker colors to help define your eyelids. You can jazz up this eye makeup look to your likings or preferences. I'm just sharing with you some makeup inspiration.
Okay, so eyeshadow is on my eyelids. Again, you can pick whatever color. You can put it all over your eyelids. You can put on your crease, whichever you are comfortable with, whatever your heart desires, okay? This is a super simple look. So next, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I like to use a felt tip eyeliner, so I will be using this one today. It could be from any brand.
I'm creating a pretty long wing. This will help elevate my eye makeup look. Felt tip eyeliners are awesome to use to create a nice, quick, precise wing.
Okay, eyeliner is done. This is the best it's gonna get. I will sit here forever trying to make sure that the right matches the left, but it looks pretty straight. It looks good. The next thing is key for this look, and that is to slap on some lashes that are extra. I mean, like extra. I like to wear 3D 25mm lashes whenever I wear my mask. You can go one step above and do 5D 25mm lashes. These are the lashes that I'm using for this look. Do not underestimate these lashes. They are big and bold and extra, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. That is exactly what I want for my makeup whenever I wear my mask. So let's put these babies on.
Do you see how these eyelashes just elevated this look? Big difference, right? These eyelashes completely glammed up this simple eye makeup look.
Let's go ahead and apply some mascara. We are using my favorite mascara from Tarte.
This is called Maneater. If you have not tried this mascara, definitely add it to your bucket list of makeup products to try next. This is a really good mascara in my opinion.
Okay, the next thing is an extra step that I like to do. You don't necessarily have to do this next step. As you can see, I do have dark circles under my eye, so I like to conceal that.
I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn as a quick fix to get rid of my dark circles.
I could have used red color corrector for the dark circles and then concealed it, but we don't have to do all that today. We're just gonna conceal it. This concealer is pretty good with coverage by itself, so I don't always color correct, but that is something that I do also do. See that? Dark circles are gone. And then we're going to set that concealer with setting powder.
This J.Cat Beauty Banana Powder is my go-to under eye setting powder. I'm packing the powder under my eye, but I'm not going to bake at all. This banana setting powder will set the concealer into place
and then also brighten this general area on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off with an angled brush. Boy, I just love the coverage and the brightness that this just brought to my face. I just love it. Next, we are going to apply eyeliner to our lower lash line. And then also we are going to apply that same eyeshadow to our lower eyelid.
Applying the same eyeshadow to my lower eyelid will also help intensify this makeup look. Then for a bolder eye makeup look, I'm applying black eyeliner to the waterline of my lower eyelids.
And then of course, mascara, using the same mascara from before.
I'm telling you, this mascara brings my eyelashes to life.
And you know your girl loves her shimmer, so we're gonna add some highlights, okay? I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes and then my eyebrows. And I can't forget my Cupid's bow. Using my favorite highlighter, my favorite broken highlighter by Laura Geller in Gilded Honey.
You know I have to add my shimmer to my usual areas.
Some on my Cupid's bow, put extra on my Cupid's bow. You know I can't help myself. Okay, and then the inner corners of my eyes.
And we're good.
We do have one more thing to do, but before we do that, let's set this bad boy. So using my mini Urban Decay all-nighter, whatever's left in this bottle. Okay, so this final step is key, lips. We need a lip color that will not move. So specifically something that is of matte or of stain. Since I do like darker lips, I'm going to use a lip liner to help darken the lip. The lip liner is already matte because it's like a shade, but you have to use a liquid matte lipstick or lip stain or something of that nature, just something that doesn't move. And the reason why we want this kind of product is because we don't want our beautiful lipstick, lip gloss, lip stain, whatever to end up on our mask. We want our lipstick to stay on our lips and not get wiped off as many times as we take off our mask and put it back on, because it's gonna get way too messy. Makeup is already messy, so if we can eliminate certain things, and in order to do that, we have to wear particular things. And I think this is something that is key for this look, because you're constantly putting on your mask, taking it off, adjusting it, talking through it the entire time that you're wearing it. So wearing a matte lipstick or matte liquid lipstick or a lip stain is the key. This matte liquid lipstick by e.l.f. I vouch for. I put this baby on my lip and it did not move. It didn't go anywhere. The only way that this lipstick was removed was by eating or using a straw to drink something or my makeup remover. Other than that, this liquid lipstick was not going anywhere, okay? So it's by e.l.f. and it's their matte liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Wine Tour. So this matte liquid lipstick is dark, but it's not dark enough. I like darker lips. We're going to use my lip liner to make that happen. So the question is, which one do we want to use? Which one we want to use? Let's just keep it in the purple family. But then again, we were brown. I guess we're going with the automatic liner by ULTA. This one is in the color Wine. So let's put Wine on our lips.
I'm applying this lip liner in an ombre style. Applying this lip liner this way will help me achieve the end lip color that I'm specifically looking for this makeup look.
So now let's apply the liquid lipstick right on top. So you don't need much.
This applicator on this liquid matte lipstick helps you apply this lippy in the exact location that you want it to go on your lips.
Ooh, if you guys only knew the original color of this matte lipstick is definitely much brighter than this. Lining my lips was definitely a good choice. I'm loving this color. And it's already dry.
Let's fix my hair now because I am done with this look. Since I'm feeling myself, let me model for you real quick. I did not put on too much makeup. I think I put just enough makeup for an everyday mask look or just a light daily glam makeup look in general.
Ooh, I love this look.
So not getting lipstick residue on any of my face masks is very ideal and one less thing to worry about when it's time to wash my cotton mask or any other washable, reusable face mask that I have. I definitely plan to purchase more colors of this lippy from e.l.f. very soon. This liquid matte lipstick is a really good product. This matte liquid lipstick dried beautifully, so that gives me hope that it won't end up smudging on my mask.
So there is one final item, which is the purpose of this video, how our makeup looks while wearing a mask. I literally have 4 different kinds of masks to model for you guys, just to kind of give you an idea. So let me go ahead and model these masks for you.
First, I'm modeling one of the different styles of the KN95 mask. I do have a different style from this type of mask to show coming up next. Just a little bit of makeup from my nose area ended up on this mask. Not bad at all. Next, modeling with a classic surgical mask. On the surgical mask, barely any makeup residue transferred. The third mask that I'm modeling is a simple, reusable, washable cotton mask. And there was little to barely any makeup residue that transferred to this mask as well. Next, I'm modeling the second style that I have for the KN95 mask. No makeup residue transferred to this mask. The final mask wear that I am modeling is for whenever I wear a double mask. I do alternate, mix and match wearing different masks when I am out and about. It truly depends on what mask that I have available to wear, but most of the time I do wear a double mask. Yes, this is extra, but I wanted to share as many possibilities that I have available for you guys so that you have a good idea on how my makeup looks with a few different facial mask options.
Okay, that is all for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. This makeup is very easy, it's very simple, it's very quick. You could just do the bare minimum. You could just do your eyebrows, your eyes, and your lips. You don't have to get rid of dark circles or any of that, or highlight. You don't have to do those 2 things. So just eyebrows, eyes, and lips, and you're good to go. Hit the door, put your mask on, and look good, okay? Look cute. You never know who you might meet, okay? Just because we have to wear a mask, you know, the mask is covering our faces, at least our eyes could look stunning. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you like this look, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of things coming your way and I am so excited to share with you guys. So until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!